Greeting, adventurers! Welcome to the enchanted world of beard care, where the mysteries will be revealed. Today we will be facing a common conundrum that has plagued the minds of many well-bearded men. Why is my beard still dry after using beard oil?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
The first thing that you must think about is the quality of the oil that you're using. Not all beard oils were created equal. You must understand that some of the oil that you could be using could be low quality or even harsh. It may be drying out your facial hair. So, it is important to choose oils that are natural ingredients that will nourish you. Oils such as argan oil, jojoba oil, and even vitamin E. Another factor to consider is how often you are applying the beard oil. While beard oil is designed to hydrate your facial hair, overusing it may lead to a greasy, weighed down more appearance. The key is to find the right balance. Usually a few drops of oil done at the beginning of the day and at night will suffice. But what if you are using high quality oils? And what if you are using the proper application onto your hair? What if your facial hair is still dry after all of that? Well, that's where the magic of beard brushes come in. Using a beard brush can help distribute the oil throughout the beard, ensuring that every hair is properly hydrated. So, if you're not already using a beard brush, perhaps now is the time that you invest in one. And finally, let's not forget about the importance of proper beard care. A healthy diet, adequate hydration, and a good grooming routine can go a long way when it comes to creating a healthy appearance for your beard. So, don't neglect your facial hair. It deserves your attention. So, my friends, there are many reasons why your facial hair may still be dry after using oil. But with proper care and attention to your facial hair, this should be a problem of the past. Adventurers, we do hope that this information was useful to you, if not entertaining. And if it was either of those things, please consider liking this video, commenting down below your thoughts, as well as subscribing to our channel. If you do subscribe, please consider hitting the bell so then you can get notified whenever we do post more information. As always, adventurers, may your beards be forever blessed, and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.